Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Ken Smith, and I want to say thank you so much for y'all helping me get way over 10,000 subscribers. It actually happened a couple of weeks ago, but we've been so busy getting the Huckster ready for Old Car Festival, which is next month, that I failed to say thank you and failed to recognize the fact that this channel wouldn't exist today if it wasn't for you. So thank you so much for your financial support, for your emotional support, for the kind messages and emails that I have gotten over the last couple of years while this channel has been growing. Thank you so much. Now, I wanted to give you a really fast, quick update on the Huckster. We actually have it running at this juncture. Started it up a week ago tomorrow, which is the 28th or 29th of July. I think it was the 29th of July, I forget now. But actually fired it up, made sure we didn't have any leaks from the gas tank, made sure we didn't have any oil leaks. We got the majority of the electrical hooked up. We still got tail lights we need to install. Today I've had this thing sitting out in the sun for 4 hours baking to get the roof to start to lie flat. Our intention is to install the roof today. We also installed a headliner in this, which is really cool. We used an indoor-outdoor denim fabric. We're going to give you a full video on that and how things are progressing, but it's looking really sharp. Actually, we've got corbels on the corners here and here. You can't see them because I've been stretching out the roof, but I'm really excited to get this car on the road. Got our windshield and glass, that came last week, and we're getting in the process of getting ready to install that. We've got just so much that we've accomplished with the car, and we haven't been able to update you because we've just been so busy trying to get it ready. But at this juncture, we feel that it's presentable, even though we don't have the doors made. It's presentable to the point to where we can bring it down to Old Car Festival pretty much as a finished vehicle. If we get the doors done in time, great. If we don't, so be it. But that's kind of where we're at. Again, I would just want to say thank you so much for your support. I really, truly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and most of all, be blessed.